Imagine aliens visiting Earth and witnessing humans sneeze for the first time. To their bewilderment, instead of simply sneezing, humans cover their faces with their hands or arms, almost like a secret code. Then, nearby humans say, "Bless you," as if sneezing is some kind of magical event. The aliens scratch their heads. Is this a ritual to ward off invisible sneeze spirits? Or a way to signal, "I'm still alive"? From an alien's view, it's the most puzzling ceremony. Why not just let the sneeze fly and move on with your day?